Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a vintage Salesman sample advertising tray. So Salesman would go on into some type, most likely a bar or brewery or some type of business, and sell this original artwork that had been created for this tray, for an advertising tray, to put their names on. So if you're into any kind of vintage signs or thing, it's just a great piece of art.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.